If you open your Telegram account and search for Blum, you will see the Blum channel and the Blum bot, Blum crypto bot. If you try to start mining the Blum crypto from here, it will not work. When you click on launch Blum, you will see it will be telling you waiting list is paused, or it will bring an email box here for you to enter your email, and they will email you where there is a chance that is when you can register. They will email you, or join the community. That is the only option you will have here. But if you want to start mining Blum, you have to go join Blum through someone's invitation or referral link. So just tell any of your friends to invite you, or use my invitation link. Now that I still have some invite left, use it. As you can see, I have my invitation link here. So if I click on it now, to bring out option for me to start. As you can see, it's saying welcome to Blum, where every tap turns into treasure. So all you have to do now is to create an account. Click on create an account and then pick your nickname. This is nickname. So let me pick something random and see if it's still, let me say something like Young Rider, and then I'll click on continue. Say it is available. So let me click on continue. So here is my Telegram name. The name on my Telegram, that is this SN. You can input your picture here, but I don't have any picture on my Telegram. So I'll click on continue. It's preparing. So that is it. The Blum account has been opened. So as you can see here, I got 10 Blum points, 5 play passes, and then I'll just tap continue. That is it. So as you can see, I have 0 Blum. That is 0. So but here, to start mining, there are tasks you need to complete. So here are the tasks. Here are the tasks. So here said farm 1000. So you only, when you get to 1000 Blum, you will be able to claim plus 150 BP. So I don't know, Blum point, that is what they call BP. So here, follow their Blum on Telegram, everything. Just follow their handle, social media handle. Complete all these tasks and you can claim. Join their Discord. You claim 90 plus and you claim Blum points. So here is friends. When you invite someone, I have 10. This one has 10 invite left. So here is home. Now to start mining, all you have to do now is start farming. Click on this start farming and it will start mining. So it's now mining and this thing is counting. So after 7 hours 59 minutes, which is 8 hours, I'll have to come back here and claim the Blum point and then start the farming again. If you not start the farming, it will not be mining. Only thing that I'm going to be tapping here is the game, which will only allow you to play from here with this card. That's if you have this card, that's when you can be able to play it. So but now it is now farming and it's mining points. So after 8 hours, when I come back here after 8 hours, I'll be able to claim the Blum points. So now let me play the game and show you how it works. So here is the game, and what I need to do now is to be tapping these green droplets. Let me use my finger because I'll just be tapping it. You just be tapping these green droplets as they drop. When you see these eyes, tap on it, it will freeze them so that you can be able to tap them. I think I have another eyes here, so we'll just be tapping it. Just be tapping it. Just be tapping it. Just be tapping it. So that is it. So just be tapping it. Just be tapping it. That is it. And you have time. I have 2 seconds left. 1 second to go. And avoid those grenades. If you tap the grenade, you will lose everything. So here is telling me invite friends for the play card. So you can only get this card maybe on the daily check-in or when you invite some friends. So now that is how to start mining Blum. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to use my referral link and start mining. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.